What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So before we begin, let's do a cold start. It's loud. So we're going to be heading over to Euromotor Performance and I'm going to be filming two different videos today. One video is going to be of Walter's installation of some parts, and the other video is going to be an installation of a APEXBUILT exhaust on a M8 competition. It's a really unique color. I don't know what color it is. It looks like an individual color, but when we get there, we'll check it out, and you're going to hear the difference. This is going to be, I think it's going to sound amazing. I think obviously the twin turbo V8 is just a beast itself when it sounds stock, but with an exhaust it's just going to sound even better. So we'll head over there, capture content, enjoy the footage. Alright, so we are at Euromotor Performance, and today is going to be, like I said earlier in the video, it's going to be multiple videos being filmed today. One of the videos is going to be with, there's an F80 M3 over there, that's Walter's car. It's a mineral gray F80 M3. You may have seen him on the channel. Also, there's going to be a video for Euromotor Performance, and they're installing a APEXBUILT, correct me in the comments. They're doing an M8 competition exhaust install. Like I said earlier in the video, it's going to sound amazing. It's a lot of film to do today, so stay tuned. And also, I think Walter's, what he's doing today also is going to be installing, I guess, he was talking about how he was at a car show and he was actually parked next to George. He has a Nardo Gray F80 M3, and he felt he couldn't open his hood because he didn't have all the bling underneath the hood. The Muscle Man oil thermostat, along with the APEXBUILT charge pipes. Those are titanium charge pipes. They look incredible. Actually, they have more of a unique finish than my RK titanium charge pipes. So if I were to put side by side, I'd probably pick the APEXBUILT. They look amazing. The finish on them is super high quality. I was telling the vlog that we are doing the APEXBUILT titanium charge pipes. What was your reasoning? I told the vlog already. What was your reasoning behind getting those installed?
Kind of a dumb reason. Went to Clean Culture, parked near my boy George, couldn't pop my hood because it's so boring. So luckily Apex was across from us and they had a set of titanium charge pipes.
So you picked them up, and then what'd you like about them?
Just the burn, you can customize the burn, you know, more purple, bluish, you know, and luckily they had what I wanted. There are a lot of purple to them, so we'll see.
And they look really good. Like,
yeah.
I was comparing them to my RK titanium, and RK titanium has less burn marks, and I guess all dues with the temperature of the titanium where it's heated up to. But the new ones that go into his car, yo, solid.
Yeah,
right.
and look good.
You're also doing the Muscle Man oil thermostat.
Yes.
If you guys didn't watch that video, I did a video about that. Dramatically, it's going to lower your temperature on your F80 M3, and also whatever car you decide to pair that up with. There's different models they have, but I know I did mine, and it looks good underneath the hood. Without being underneath the hood, it does provide some performance, and you're going to see that on the drive home. Even though it's not really that hot today, but you're going to see normally what your temperature is now, it's going to lower by a full bar.
Yeah.
You know. All right, so Walter is going to be getting some more modifications on his car, and if you guys seen him on the channel, we got the main man Marlon here. One of the OGs on the channel. He's been working on my car since day one. Actually, no. The other guy that did my suspension, the KW Hosky, he no longer works here. Yeah, so he doesn't work here, but Marlon was the second person that worked on my car. And then today, he's gonna be molesting Walter's car. All right, so I wanted to interrupt this video to thank our sponsors, and that's being sponsored by Simply Carbon Fiber. So Walter, he's not paid for this, but he actually picked up a money clip. Can you show your money clip? So why'd you pick that money clip?
You're promoting it. You had it.
Yeah.
Liked the way it looked, and it fits everything I need. Small enough to keep my pocket. I ain't gotta worry about a big bulky wallet, so it works for me.
And I was surprised when he pulled it out. I was like, hey, look, check out this wallet I got from Simply Carbon Fiber. This is the original wallet they sent me like months ago. This is Alcantara along with carbon fiber. But show that wallet again. Like, it's high quality, it's a money clip, and he wasn't paid for this. But check that out. It's something that he bought himself and he's using to this day. And he likes it. It's slim, it's lightweight, it's carbon fiber. And then when you look at that, it definitely shows that you're a car enthusiast.
It matches the interior.
Exactly, it matches the interior of the armrest of the F80 M3. So I want to thank them for sponsoring this video. If you want to pick up a wallet like this or like his money clip, you can use this discount code right over here. It can save you 10% off. So other than that, let's get back into the footage and see how his engine bay is going to turn out. Peace. In a few weeks, we'll be back again. Depends, man. I'm about to get married soon, so I may be a little busy. So we'll time it. He's not in a rush, but I know the next piece that's gonna go in his engine bay, it's gonna be an eye catcher, absolutely. And I think it's gonna look really good. Looking at what you have on right now, I think it's look really good. The only thing he really needs to change is those dirty ass intakes.
They gotta go. They gotta go.
Come on, Walter. What is this?
They gotta go. I mean, if they watch the channel, they know the struggle I went through with the AWE S-Flow. So they were going,
Yeah,
but unfortunately, they had to go back on.
All right, so we got Pumbaa here. That's his nickname, and he's working on the M8 competition. The exhaust is almost done, and as you can see, I'm not gonna hit my head on this, but it's high quality. So you could definitely tell. In a little bit, we're gonna give it a startup, and you'll hear exactly how it sounds. Again, the stock M8 competition does sound good already, but with the exhaust, it's just gonna sound like a beast. And these has valves, so you can open and close it, be neighbor friendly, and also be really obnoxious when you want. Again, this video is going to be pretty much everywhere. It's going to have a little bit of the M8 competition, exhaust install, along with Walter's install. And hope you guys enjoy it. I definitely think hearing the Akrapovic exhaust, it definitely sounds a lot better than stock. Is it worth, I think it was like a $10,000 price point. Is it worth it? It's, again, exhaust and all that stuff, it's all subjective, right? It all depends on what you like. I thought the exhaust would be a little bit louder for $10,000. I would hope it'd be a little bit louder. It definitely does justice when you're outside. It sounds good, but it's not to a point where you're having constant drone. Again, it's a valved exhaust and it sounds good already. I think when you really put some downpipes onto the M8 competition, that's when it really changes. But Eddie, what do you think about the exhaust? Come here, man. Not Eddie, right? Is Eddie? Eddie. So this is Pumbaa, right?
AKA Pumbaa.
What do you think about the M8 competition exhaust? You installed it, right? So what do you think about it?
Well, the exhaust, very good finish, good quality, can't complain. Everything was there up to par, everything you expect from a high-end company like that. I drove the car sounds good. It's perfect for the people that don't want to be too loud, but they don't want to sound stock.
Yeah.
So definitely a good exhaust for that. But if you're the type of person that want the loud exhaust and all the popping and crackles, not so really there. It'll do it. We drove the car.
Yeah.
It did what it needed to do. It did sound nice. It's just not what you're expecting of the crazy poppings. And,
yeah, I think a downpipe would kind of suffice that. Obviously, with the tune, you can always change that up.
Definitely, you're gonna open it up and exhaust.
Was it worth 10 grand?
10 grand?
Probably
It's
not.
definitely worth it. Don't get me wrong. There's a fan base or not fan base, clientele out there. They're actually looking for that. They want just a little more than stock.
Yeah,
and great quality.
If you have the M8 competition money, that 10 grand ain't mean nothing to you. I'm kidding. I'm just being joking around, but no, it's definitely a pricey exhaust. But you can definitely see from the finish, and he said it earlier. It's well built, and it's so light. It's titanium, right?
Yeah,
it's
the
titanium.
install was an ease.
So yeah, everything fit properly. There was not a lot of wiggling or anything like that. Any adjustments you need to do. So other than that, hopefully you guys enjoy the footage. This is a video that's pretty much M8, F80, charge pipes, and oil thermostat. So hopefully you guys enjoy it. The reason why I did it all together is because you guys seen this modification on my car and also the charge pipes. Other than that, we'll check you guys on the next clip. I do want to add too that there's many reasons why you want to change your charge pipes. One reason is because the possibility of it failing the stock ones, especially on a tuned vehicle, there's more airflow, and the charge pipes, the stock ones, are made of plastic. The possibility of it failing and breaking, it's a possibility. So that's another reason why Walter definitely upgraded. It just sounds like it's an unnecessary step, but when you're pushing power, he's stage 2, catless downpipe. It's something that you should look into. So definitely keep that in mind when you're upgrading your performance, because you want to do those necessary means for that. Yeah. So I will say Marlon's wrapping that up. That's pretty much an easy job. Something that I'm not going to do. Something that Walter's not going to do. But what's so good about APEXBUILT is that they provide all the necessary hardwares, including the O-rings that's necessary for the pipes itself, charge pipes. Because a lot of times when you buy these parts from companies, some of those necessary parts like O-rings to really seal it up correctly, it's not included. APEXBUILT actually included that with the purchase. I will say his engine bay has stepped up a notch. Obviously, the black anodized charge pipes he had before made it a little kind of bland. At least this, the finish of it just livens it up, and it gives it more of a show car look to it, and also a feel. But you can see, definitely look at that. The quality of it is just insane. I love the way the purple and the gold kind of finishes it off. This is going to be installed next time, so here's another hint for Walter. He has another modification coming in. This is going to be paired up with a CSF product. I probably just gave it away now, but we'll be back in a couple weeks to film that install. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. I know Walter is going to be more opted to open his hood now so he can show off his car at a car show. All right, I've been here way too long today, but everything's all buttoned up. You can definitely tell how much more of a difference this piece does, along with the titanium charge pipes from APEXBUILT. Obviously he has to work on the intakes, but everything gets tied in. Now he's actually able to open his hood a little bit and feel a little bit better about himself.
Definitely a little better.
Now Marlon's just gonna top off because during the process of taking the stock oil thermostat. Some of the coolant does come out, so he's just topping it off, making sure that he's good for the ride back up north. I'm gonna head out of here. All right, guys, take it easy.
Have a good one.
See. But Walter will be back here in a couple weeks. I don't know, it depends. I'm gonna be having a wedding soon, so I'm gonna head out of here. I've been here all day. And then Walter, he has a nice drive up north. So other than that, we'll see you guys in the next episode.
See ya.